Welcome to Blue Ridge CTC. This video provides information on how to register for classes. In order to register for classes, you're going to navigate to our main website at www.blueridgectc.edu. Once you are here, you're going to navigate to the top blue ribbon to locate the icon that says Bridge. Bridge is the student administrative site which you will use to register for classes. So you'll click on Bridge to be routed to a login page. If this is your first time logging into Bridge, you might need to retrieve your username and password. Otherwise, you'll go ahead and click on the student login, and you will log in using your username and your password. Your username is the first part of your student email before the @my.blueridgectc.edu. Once you are logged into your Bridge account, you will come to a page that says Student Services. From here, we're going to click on the second bullet point down that says Student Records and Registration. Once you click on that menu icon, you will be brought further into your Bridge page. When we're here, we're going to refer to this left-hand menu. We're going to look for the part that says Register for Classes or Registration. Once you click on Registration, you will be rerouted to another page to enter in the classes of your desire. We're just waiting for this new page to load. All right, and once the page has loaded, it's going to look like this. It's going to provide you the menu options for registration. From here, you're going to click on the underline section that says Register for Classes. It looks like the username and password that I'm signed into, Testy Registrar, has a few roles. This will not be the case for you, as your username will only have the role of student. In my case, I will go ahead and select student. From here, I'm going to click on this arrow to select the correct term. I'm going to select the term that I would like to register for and press continue. From here, I'm going to go ahead and enter in the CRNs. I don't need to find my classes because I'm already aware of what I'd like to register for. So I'm going to click on the button or the area that says Enter CRNs. Once I'm here, I'm going to enter in the 5-digit number or class CRN to specifically select that class. And I'm going to add to summary. Once I have added this class to summary and I see that it has been added, then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom of the page on the right-hand side, and I'm going to select my action. I want to make sure to be in this class or drop this class. And so for this one, I'm going to say none. And for the one that I just put in the CRN, I'm going to make sure that it says registered. And from here, I'm going to press submit. Once you press submit, you will be able to see if there are errors or any issues in order to join this class. From here, you can enter in any of your other CRNs that may or may not give you an error. Errors might mean that you need to go back to the instructor or maybe reach out to the admissions team in Student Services. I'm going to go ahead and put in another class at this time to show you how registration ends up when you do not have a class that provides an error. Errors are a good thing to encounter on this video as it may be part of your circumstance as well. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in another CRN and hopefully not receive an error code. And I'm going to add that CRN. And you'll see here that that is pending. And so I'm going to go ahead and press submit. It seems that this class has a wait list requirement. So at this time, I can go ahead and I can be waitlisted to my class and then resubmit for the opportunity to join that class. Whether you're registering or you're waitlisting, once you have completed the action and press submit, you should get a green success, save successful message right in the top of the right-hand corner. This video provided information on how to register for classes, how to observe error codes, and also how to select other actions when registering for classes. If you have additional questions or need, contact Student Services.